everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a package here from Tickled Pink Cosmetics. I won a giveaway that they were doing on one of their lives on TikTok, and I first heard about Tickled Pink from Phyllis Banks. I believe she bought a scoop and she messaged me and said, oh, have you ever heard of this company? And so I hadn't before, so I decided to go ahead and follow them on Instagram and TikTok. So yeah, they were doing a live, gosh, it was like a week and a half ago. They were doing scoops. I didn't buy a scoop, but they were having a giveaway. If you got to a certain number of likes, they put your name in a random picker. You have to comment, you know, and share and stuff like that. So I was just commenting like random hearts and like random things, and then I was picked as one of the winners, so I got to pick a free scoop or a free spin. So of course I picked the free acrylic scoop. So yeah, it was so cool. There were so many people in there and I was so surprised to actually get picked. So yeah, this is my scoop here, and I don't even remember what I got. I just don't even remember. I've had this actually for a couple days now, but yeah, the first thing I got here is I got some stickers. This one, look at that. Look at the holographic on that. How pretty. And it says Tickled Pink Cosmetics. And it's funny because actually today, today's Monday, they launched a gel collection, like a holiday gel polish collection, and I went on and they were doing a live and I ordered that. The colors were super pretty. I'll see if I can insert a picture here, but they're super pretty. And then you got like 2 free gifts, like some little snowflake glitters and some stickers, but they were only like a limited thing. They only had like 30, so they've never I guess this is like their first holiday like gel polish collection. So yeah, I just decided to try it. But this is the scoop here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this stuff here. All right, so yeah, this is just the packing slip. It says acrylics dip, you know, acrylic/dip scoop, and the note shows the giveaway winner. So yeah, super excited. That was super cool. I was like, wow. There was a lot of people in there, so to get picked, I thought that was cool. Alright, so we have, oh, I got quite a bit. I don't even, oh, I got the, oh yeah, because they had some big ones in there. Ooh, so this is a 28 gram, and this is Candyland. Ooh, let me see. Ooh, that's pretty. It's got a bunch of different hexagons in there. I'm gonna swatch all these, but I just want to look at them. I haven't even, like I said, I don't even remember. Wow, there's a lot in here. Oh, wow. Yeah, so I got 6 of these little ones, and then one of the big ones. So yeah, I've never tried their acrylics before. This one is called January. Oh, that's pretty. It looks like a red. Ooh, super pretty. Peachy Keen. And I seen another one that says Peaches and Dream. I guess, yeah, because I love peach stuff, so that's cool. Ooh, that's pretty. So that just looks like a solid color peach, and there might be some shimmer in there. It looks like there might be a little bit of shimmer. This is Peaches and Dream. Ooh, that one looks really pretty. This is Maria Sangria. Oh, that's beautiful. Well, it looks like it's gonna be like a wine color, like a sangria. Milky Way. This is just a white acrylic. Juice box. Ooh, that's different. That's like a fall color. It looks like it has shimmer too. Alright, so yeah, this is cool. So I'm going to go ahead and get some swatch sticks ready, and we'll swatch these. Like I said, I've never tried their acrylic, so I'm curious to see the consistency and all that. So I'll be right back. I'm going to start with the white first. The milky white. It's a nice white though. It's a really bright white. Wow. Seems really nice. Look, it stays pretty much and kind of self-levels. So yeah, that's really good. It's not super runny either. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, that's a bright white. Really pretty. Okay, next we're gonna do Peachy Keen. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, it has shimmer in it, a little bit of shimmer. It's really pretty. Oh, that is really pretty. Really, really pretty. I like that. Peaches and Dream. Oh, this one's pretty. Oh, that is really pretty. Juice box. Yeah, I got a lot of like the peachy, yellowy colors. I'm gonna do Maria's Sangria. Oh gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, you can see those shimmers in there. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then we're gonna do January. Christmas. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, look at that, how pretty. Just a bunch of different hexagons and fine glitter. Ah, that's beautiful. And then the last one is Candyland. I think this is, oh yeah, this is what they said was a scoop exclusive. So yeah, I think you only get this in the scoops, maybe. I don't know. They were the ones in the big jars, so I'm not sure, but that's what it says on there. And I remember remember them saying, "Oh, you got a scoop exclusive or something." So, ooh, that's really cute. Ooh, yeah, see that green? Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, it's like a pretty spring Valentine's color. Alright, I'm gonna let these dry up and then we'll get one more look at them. Alright, so these are all the colors here. Look how pretty. I love this peach one. Oh, and the sangria though, that's my favorite. Look at that, how pretty. Look at the shift on that. Oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I really like, the consistency so far. Of course we won't know until we actually use it to do a set. But yeah, I think they're super pretty. And yeah, I just want to thank Tickled Pink for doing that giveaway. It was incredible. I'm so glad that I won and I got to try your products. And then I have the gel polishes coming. So when I get those, I'll go ahead and swatch those and look at those. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.